na po. Okay. Thank you. Babalik na tayo.
Babalik na sa dati.
Makakabalik na. Hindi na tayo papalalasin. Thank you. Thank you. Pagbigyan ko lang sila muna, ha? I love you.
Kasi ikaw po yung nakaspas.
Ito sa video.
Maganda kayo si Wednesday. Mamchi, pa-receive.
Chichi and I and most of your Miss Choice who won the local election in Manila being proclaimed. So let me take this opportunity na magpasalamat ulit at walang hanggang pasasalamat sa aking mga minamahal na lolo't lola. I love you. Mga nanay at tatay natin na senior citizen. At siyempre, yung ating mga batang Maynila for the overwhelming support. And I hope this is just a start of our journey together. The people and the government works hand in hand to have a better city of Luzon. Samahan niyo po kami. Umpisa pa lang po ito. But for the meantime, in the next few days, Chichi and I and the newly elected members of the City Council will meet in preparation of plans that we promise to our people. So, yun. Second, 26 hours. Baliwala yung hintay namin 26 hours. 3 years naghintay ang taong bayan. So yung paghintay namin 26 hours, maliit na bagay. But when I said start, we should start healing ourselves. Simply because maraming mga masasakit na salita na naibato sa aming mga leader, sa amin, ni Chichi, ako, and all other things. But again and again, I just wanted to lead the city with no hatred among each other. I think we should come up with any way of random kindness sa ating isa sa isa't isa. Mas gusto ko yung bati-bati na lang tayo. At the end of the day, tayo rin naman mga batang Maynila makikita sa final. And those people who comes in and out of the city. So we have an obligation to do in the coming 6 weeks. We will prepare, and I think we need to do what we have to do for the people of Manila. So that's why we start from healing. Bati-bati na tayo. Uwi na ako. Nasaktan kami, don't get me wrong. Emotionally, psychologically, we were hurt. But the people overwhelmingly spoke. And that we respect. And I think that's good enough vindication for Chichi and I and the entire group. So we are very grateful about it. And we start moving on. And we move forward And hopefully, with the help of our people, we move fast to recover. Mabalik ang kaaliwalasan, kalinisan, peace and order situation of the city, kapanatagan ng pamumuhay. And Chichi, leading the City Council, presiding over the session, will come up with her idea with regard to on how to deliver the livelihood program that she promised to the city, and we will help.
Will you be the first to reach out?
Now I'm reaching out. I am reaching out, and if there is a chance, of course. Why? You know, at the end of the day, they're going to be the citizen of the city. And I am obliged to, do service for them. And that is a job.
Yorme, dati nyo rin pong naging Vice Mayor
Yes,
si Dr. Hani Lacuna. So, she conceded already. You are asking, you actually
I've never
said,
heard.
she conceded already. She did. And then you are also calling for healing. So, apart from this reaching out, will there be any other efforts to reach out exactly to her para talagang mas maging unified ang buong Maynila?
Thank you, Maris, for asking such question. Yes, we are. Of course, I did it before. I mean, many times. Even with the former President Joseph Vera Estrada, even to the point, Mayor Lim. In fact, not only that we reach out, may tinanong pa nga ako kay Mayor Lim yun eh. Paano mariresolve yung peace and order? Humingi pa ako ng tip. But in this case, of course, we will do so. If we were allowed to be there. Anytime ako, alam mo, marami na akong baldog sa buhay. Marami na akong pakokang sa paa dahil sa pagkakadapa sa buhay. Maraming dapa na, marami ng stumbling blocks. But at the end of the day, I think we should continue to value ang pagpapahalaga sa nakaraan. At pagpapahalaga, higit na pagpapahalaga sa kinabukasan. Yes, I will.
Ano ang pakiramdam na magbabalik kayo sa Maynila?
Excited, excited, but I know it's gonna be challenging because it's like doing it again. Parang back to zero. But to the people who are watching, sa aking mga kababayan, kung manatag kayo, I'll do my best.
So, Yorme,
Bring back the certainty, order, and cleanliness in our city.
Yorme, you're expecting smooth transition.
I am. Well, that's what I did in the past. I mean, and even my predecessor, that's what they did. I think that's the norms. That's the normal way to do it, so that we can move on. Kasi, this is not about us anymore. It is about the people of Manila. So, if we really love our people that we ought to serve, I think that's the only way to start and begin the journey of the city of Manila and the people who lives in the city.
How about your son, number one counselor?
No, thank you mga taga-Tondo ha. Nirequest ko lang manalo eh. Ginawa niyo pang number. I'm really grateful and happy for him. And I told him, naku anak, yari ka. Talagang now you're given a chance. You have to prove yourself.
Following your footsteps?
Well, I hope. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, anak, basta matuturuan kita kung paano mag-gobyerno. Pero hindi ko kayang ituro sa'yo kung paano magmalasakit sa tao. Because it is you as a person. In you. Innate. Ano naman? Maaway yun eh. Ano siya, ano ang puso rin niya yung madali siyang matouch sa sitwasyon ng tao. And I'm happy because that's a good start. Kasi if you are sympathetic, what you call empathic, sa kataliwan ng tao, that's a good start of governance. Kasi lagi yan nahabulin ka at the back of your mind. What is your purpose being in public? So I'm excited and happy for you. Congratulations, Joaquin.
Mayor, unang nilinisin sa Maynila.
Up, ayun, recto, kanal, kanto nila, lahat ng kanto rito sa Maynila, tampak talaga. I mean, total tapos sama na ang kampanya, no? We're just being realistic. I'll do my best. I hope the two contractors garbage collection will have a different approach under our administration. At hindi ako mangingimi kung ano man yung mangyayari sa kanila pag hindi sila nagtuti. Because kapakanan ng taong bayan itong pinag-uusapan natin, hindi negosyo nila. It is sanidad ng tao. At ang sanidad ay issue ng mahirap, ng middle class at mayaman. Dahil ang sanidad ay nagdudulot ng sakit at ang sakit na dulot ito, walang pinipiling katayuan sa lupa. So, they have to catch up under my watch. But for the meantime, I will let Mayor Hani Lacuna do her job for the remainder of, I think, 6 weeks. Kasi siya naman ang mayor. Kaya mga bata, huwag niyo muna akong message sa cancellation ng classes. Hindi pa po ako mayor. Mayor-elect pa lang ako. Kasi marami ako na-receive na, tawag dito, Yorme, may pasok pa bukas. Hello mga estudyante, mag-ingat kayo. I love you. I'll see you soon.
Kay Vice Mayor G.
Sure.
Vice, ina-expect mo ba na ganun kalaki yung makukuha mo number?
Well, to be honest, when I entered this, the only thing that I had in my mind is to bring back hope in people's lives. I didn't even think of the ending. Hindi ko inisip kung mananalo, matatalo, but importante po kasi sa akin na pag nandun at hawak ko ang mikropono sa entablado, pinapaalala ko gano'n sila kahalaga. So in terms of yung tanong mo, to answer that, to be honest, I did not expect anything. And I was just happy that's a journey ko sa kampanya. And I'm happy because
how open are you as presiding officer to take all of those suggestions in so you can craft good ordinances para sa mga taga-members? How open are you to brainstorming and getting various ideas regardless of party lines para makabuo kayo ng maayos na ordinansa?
naniniwala kasi ako sa
Councilor for the
demokrasya.
district.
Naniniwala ako yung importante na huminig tayo
Joe AC.
konsihal ko ano man.
Pamela Buboso, Maynila Jensa.
Wise and intellectual.
Paul Sangka.
Pasensya na kayo, binabi kayo. I'll see you. Thank you. Thank you.